The International Monetary Fund Managing Director says that the global economy has proven remarkably resilient to multiple shocks, but is yet to overcome a combination of weak growth and sticky inflation. She expresses her worry during a news conference at the IMF and World Bank spring meetings in Washington. The Global Bank warned that a major new flare-up of a banking system turmoil that chokes off lending and sparks a rush into safe haven assets could slam global growth back to 1%, throwing many economies into recession and putting major stresses on emerging market economies. However, she urges policymakers to fight persistent inflation and safeguard financial stability. Singapore's 2023 gross domestic product is expected to grow between 0.5% and 2.5% for the year, compared to 3.6% in 2022. The central bank says that the country's GDP is expected to moderate significantly this year, and that prospects for growth have dimmed. The Apex Bank has also halted its tightening cycle, maintaining its rate after increasing it for 5 consecutive times. According to the State Trade and Industry Ministry, economy grew 0.1% in the first quarter of 2022 year-on-year, but contracted by 0.7% compared to the previous quarter. Global economic activity has more resilient than expected in the first quarter of 2023, despite falling global energy prices, strong consumption demand in the advanced economies, and the lifting of pandemic restrictions in China. Crude oil prices rose today on worries over tightening supply, with the market looking ahead of the International Energy Agency's monthly report later in the day to clarify the global demand outlook. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to sell at $82.43 per barrel, with an upward price margin of 0.33%. Brent crude features also experience an uptick of 0.22%, selling at $86.28. Bonny Light depreciated to $86.62 per barrel, recording a downward price review of 0.03%. And for the OPEC basket, crude oil dealers are offering for $85.41 per barrel, with a price decline of 0.11%.